Hybrid OFC power cable. This is a true 8-gauge oxygen-free copper and copper-clad aluminum hybrid power cable. Our kit features a blend of heavy-duty oxygen-free copper and copper-clad aluminum in a hybrid power cable designed for excellent conductivity, durability, and value. Inline fuse holder. The MAXI and ATC fuse holders are molded and pre-installed inline with weatherproof covers for convenient installation and superior protection. It is designed for excellent conductivity, durability, and value. Double-strength ground terminal. The double-strength ground terminal is a unique pre-terminated ground terminal design that dramatically simplifies installation and improves performance. Twisted pair audio cables. The twisted pair RCA cables reject noise to provide better sound performance through your amplifiers. Our kit is constructed with heavy-duty oxygen-free copper and copper-clad aluminum for excellent conductivity, durability, and value. Buy with confidence. This product is backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and a limited lifetime warranty, so you can purchase this product with the peace of mind that it will last. Top reviews from the United States. As advertised. Opted for the blended CCA/OFC wires for the cost savings. Went a little larger to make up for the diminished heat dissipation. Overall very happy.